Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to see all the participants in a Google Meet so you will never miss anyone. First of all, join the meeting. Open the Google Meet and join your meeting. Open the Google Meet and join your meeting. You can join the meeting by clicking on code or a link provided by a teacher or professor. Now, at this on the app or desktop, tap the three-dot menu at the bottom right, then select Change Layout, tiled on desktop or grid view on mobile. This lets you to see everyone in a meeting at once. Now step 3 is to adjust the number of the tiles. On desktop, you can increase or decrease the number of tiles shown to fit more participants on the screen. On the mobile, swipe to see more participants if your screen is small. Step 4 is to pin or spotlight the participant. If you want to focus on someone, tap their video and choose the pin to spotlight. This keeps them visible even if others are talking. And that's it. Now you can see everyone clearly in Google Meet. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more quick tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.